partaking in the Barcamp event, and it has been really innovative, inspiring. I've been able to meet a lot of people, connected with people who are in line with my own interests, been able to get new ideas to carry out my projects. And that is very innovative, and I'll encourage everyone to participate. I'm sure your life will never be the same again. Yeah.
I think so far it's been great. It's been 2 years since I last came to Barcamp, so I'm trying to adjust to how Barcamp is. But I think so far it's been good. All the mentors that they speak, they give great advices. I'm going to implement all that they said. And also, basically network and do more things with partnership.
I think, to be honest, this is not my first Barcamp, and then my experience has been good as usual because anytime I get the opportunity to mentor at Barcamp, the mentees do really challenge me more, and I learn a lot from them as well. And for the networking is out of the skies because you get to meet people from all sorts of fields, professions, and even from outside Ghana, which is lovely.
Well, mine is quite interesting. This is my first experience, and I'm absolutely blown away. I had no idea what to expect and no idea the kind of people I'll meet, and it's really exciting and a very good learning experience.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Mariama, je suis une des participantes du Barcamp, un événement qui se passe une fois dans l'année à Accra. Cet événement, je suis vraiment impressionnée de l'organisation. J'ai beaucoup aimé l'organisation. Et à part ça, j'ai eu vraiment à rencontrer, à avoir des contacts. J'ai eu plusieurs amis ghanéens. Et ce qui m'a vraiment marqué aussi, c'est que les gens sont vraiment accueillants et sympas. Et j'ai appris beaucoup de choses. Et spécialement, j'ai eu à rencontrer un monsieur qui a su m'expliquer comment commencer un business à Accra. Donc du coup j'ai vraiment beaucoup appris lors de l'événement. Et je souhaiterais aussi participer, j'espère que l'année prochaine je serai là. Je compte participer aussi l'année prochaine. Donc merci aux organisateurs et à l'année prochaine, Inch'Allah.
Barcamp Accra 2019, and it's going very well. I've been to the mentorship session, learned something about creative writing, HR, and also the legal aspect. I shouldn't sleep on any of my ideas, so I should start working on them.